Hi everyone, we're here today with our group customer, the University of Surrey, and Miles Jenkinson here at the Engineering Design Centre. Miles, is it okay just to give us a quick tour around, to show us what the facility is all about here at the University of Surrey and show us what's what?
Yeah, of course. So this is the Engineering Design Centre where the students are currently working on the Formula Student car.
Yeah, I can see they're busy over there, heads into the, I don't even know what section you'd call that.
Cockpit, I guess.
Cockpit, yeah. And where are we going now then?
So we're now crossing over the threshold from the Design Centre into the Engineering Centre. So in here is where all of our manual machines and our CNC machines are.
Okay. What strikes me straight away is it's a really, really clean and tidy environment. Is that down to yourself or is that down to everyone?
It's a team effort really, so what we try and aspire to is keeping it 5S as possible so that when the students come in and use this space, they then get used to how things should be in industry.
Okay.
Can't say they're all like this in industry, but this is the way.
The aspirational way, if you like.
Exactly.
That's not a bad thing at all, is it? And this is where teaching sessions take place?
Yeah, exactly. So teaching happens in here and then students can do group work in here, so it's about to become very busy with students about to come in and do a lot of group work.
Yes, because we are into the heart of it at the minute, aren't we?
Exactly, yeah.
Brilliant. Okay, and then what is through this room, just here on our right?
So in here is our 3D print room, or our additive manufacturing room. So in the far corner, we've got the two machines that started our relationship with the Carfulan Group.
Yeah, they look at home there. So just talk us through what machines you've got here and what kind of they are used for here at the university.
So we've got our two polyjet printers at the very end, which are used for supporting research, student projects and work around campus.
Yeah.
And then we've got a mixture of all different FDM machines that are used for rapid prototyping.
Brilliant. And there must be, what, 20 or so machines in here?
Yeah.
Heavily used area?
Heavily used, yeah.
Yeah.
So you can see most of the machines are currently being used as we're talking.
Fantastic. I'll let you lead the way. So is this the workshop then, Miles?
So this is the Engineering Centre, also known as the workshop, yep.
Yep.
So in here are the majority of our machines.
So just quickly walk us through what we've got here. I can see XYZ machines, I can see our Metrios just behind us there, looking very much at home. And then is this a metal cutter?
So this is a fibre laser cutter, so this is used for cutting sheet metal up to inch thick, so massive.
It looks relatively new, would that be fair to say?
Relatively new.
Yeah.
So that came in just earlier this year.
Brilliant, brilliant. And how have you been getting on with the Metrios?
Can't fault the Metrios. I mean, it's used for inspecting parts that the students manufacture. Yeah. So it's going to be a massive benefit to us.
This is the second machine that you bought from the Carfulan Group. And why did you come back to the Carfulan Group with this? Did you know about it already, or had you heard about it, or did we introduce it to you?
So it was introduced to us by the Carfulan Group. So we had the 3D printers supplied by SYS, and then one of the partners came in from VICIVISION, or
VICIVISION. Everyone says
that's
it's
the
a mouthful.
And explained what the machine was, what its capabilities could do, and then we went and saw it, had a demo on it, and decided to go for it.
Just whilst we're on this, we see these a lot in industry. Is the purpose to bring this in to get students ready for industry? Is it to speed up inspection, or is it for grading of students' work?
An exact mixture of all of those. So it will massively help with grading the students' parts. It will be used for inspecting parts that my team manufacture in-house.
Yeah.
And then it will also give the students an insight into what technology is out in industry as well.
Okay, brilliant. And I think it's fair to say you're probably one of the major pioneers of the Metrios into universities, so it's nice to see it at the heart of the shop floor here, or the workshop, should we say, which, is that a conscious decision so that everyone can kind of get access to it?
Yeah, definitely. I mean, you can see we've got the Metrios sticker on the front, so it's well branded up. Yeah. It makes sense to have it in the middle of the engineering centre or workshop, because it's right next to the metal laser cutter that we spoke about earlier. It's next to the manual mills, so it's right in the middle to bring any part that's been manufactured in here straight onto the bed, have it inspected, and then we can generate reports from it.
Fantastic. Brilliant. Shall we continue? So we've got Rowan over here, he's working on one of the machine tools. We've got Jono there at the back. Just talk us through what's going on in this section, or what's this section get used for?
So these are our CNC machines. So Rowan is currently working on an enclosure for an X-ray device. whereas Jono's working on part of a satellite, so that will end up in space at some point, hopefully.
Wow. Okay, so it's not just students that are coming in here and using it. You're doing this for industry and supporting other areas of the university as well.
Yeah, so there's no way of telling what's coming through our door day in, day out. So
and the variety you like.
Variety, yeah. That's what keeps me here. So
great stuff. Okay, won't hold you up anymore. And down to the bottom end, we can see Jamie here and Brian. What section are these? Very much more kind of manual.
So these are our manual lathes. So these are used for teaching students during semester 1, and they're also used for manufacturing parts. So this is a project that's just come through our door, and they'd like to replicate this. So part of that process is taking some measurements from this and then replicating it on the manual lathes.
Okay, awesome. And then down to this area, I know you were telling me about this is eventually going to be updated to be a bit more modern like some of the other areas, but what we've got in here?
So yeah, hopefully eventually this will be updated a bit. So we've got some old style CNC machines.
Yeah.
And the idea behind renovating this is to make it match the rest of the facility.
Yeah, that would be nice,
updating it a little bit, making it look a little bit new and shinier.
All part of the same family, I guess.
And getting some new tech in here as well.
One area that has been updated is this additive manufacturing hub though. So again, yet more 3D printers here at the university.
So yeah, this is also a new area, like you say. This has been developed recently to allow the students to come in, manufacture parts that they'd like, pay for the consumables, and then take them away. Okay, fantastic. Anything else to see? The entrance to this room is quite breathtaking. So from the outside, it looks just as good as it does on the inside. It's quite a nice day for a change. So as you can see, it's well branded up as the additive manufacturing hub. Amazing. So students know what to look for when they come onto campus. And students can just go straight into here? Yeah, so once they've done some training and we're happy that they're competent on the machines, they'll be given card access, and then they can book in and use the machines when they want. Well, awesome. Thanks a lot for giving us a bit of a tour here today at the University of Surrey. Group customer of the Carfulan Group, but it's fantastic just to see the facility and have a little look around. No worries. Cheers.